Imagine walking outside one morning and looking up to see something impossible. The moon glowing in the sky with a massive ring around it. Just like Saturn, a bright shimmering halo stretching across the heavens, beautiful, surreal, and a little ominous. A ring like this would be made of ice, rock, and dust orbiting the moon, creating a cosmic display that never disappears. From the equator, the ring would look like a glowing horizontal line slicing the sky, and from higher latitudes, it would appear as a perfect arc, turning every sunrise and sunset into a sci-fi postcard. Nights would become brighter as the icy particles reflect sunlight back to Earth, giving us permanent moonlight that photographers would worship and astronomers would quietly resent. But behind the beauty, the physics start to complain. The ring would block some sunlight in certain latitudes, creating massive soft shadows across countries, slightly cooling their climates while others warm up, shifting wind patterns and rainfall in unpredictable ways. Like the atmosphere trying to adjust to a new accessory it never asked for. The ring itself would not be stable forever because the moon's gravity and Earth's tidal forces constantly tug at the particles, causing collisions, grinding ice into dust, and occasionally sending small pieces falling toward Earth as tiny meteor showers. Pretty, but not exactly good news for rooftops and insurance companies. Then we enter the satellite nightmare. Any spacecraft traveling through low Earth orbit would have to dodge ring debris, and rocket launches become a cosmic obstacle course, forcing engineers to map safe gaps through a swirling field of lunar shrapnel. GPS disruptions, communication noise, and chaotic orbital paths become the new normal. Even geopolitics gets weird. Countries under the clearest view of the rings would claim the best sky rights, boosting tourism, while others complain that the ring's shadow cools their cities and messes with their crops. A simple cosmic decoration suddenly becomes an international argument. So what actually happens if the moon has a ring like Saturn? The world becomes more beautiful, the sky becomes more dramatic, the nights become brighter, and absolutely everything else becomes more complicated. A perfect cosmic upgrade, with a spectacular list of problems.